Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about PracticePanther, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you download or export your contacts or client list from PracticePanther? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to download or export your contact list in PracticePanther anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you know that sometimes you're going to switch over to a different software provider, and you want to be sure to bring your contacts with you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your PracticePanther dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my PracticePanther, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, in order to export your contacts, here on the top blue menu, you're going to click on Contacts. All right, once you do that, you're going to see all of your contacts in PracticePanther. So to download all of your contacts, here on the right side, you're going to click on this little Excel spreadsheet button. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Export All. All right, quick second later, you're going to see this little pop-up. Let me go ahead and open up the spreadsheet. Okay, as you can see, all of my contacts inside of PracticePanther have now downloaded into this spreadsheet. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to download or export your contacts from PracticePanther, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.